Open Trading 212 app, tap on the drop down on the top and make sure to select Trading 212 Invest Account. Tap on pie chart icon. This would then take you to your portfolio. Scroll down a bit. Here you could see cash, and under cash you could see main pot. Tap on it. Under your currencies, select one of your currencies. Enabling interest, it's a bit hidden, so to make it visible, drag these tabs to the left. And now you can see interest, tap on it. It gives you an overview of what you could earn, but it is still not enabled. So to enable interest on your cash, tap on enable. You get daily interest. Your cash remains instantly available for withdrawal or investing, and you can disable it anytime. Scroll a bit down. You could see the current rates for different currencies, and then scroll down and read all these risks carefully. And once you're happy and you have reviewed the QMMF list and that you understand the risks, tap on the check mark and finally tap on enable. Now interest on cash is enabled. Tap on close. Now you could see an overview of your daily interest rate, your cash, and if you would select another currency and if you have also got some money in another currency, you could see that's also enabled. So remember, different currencies have got different interest rates.